Hello everyone. Welcome to Nerve Health and Repair channel. In this tutorial we will learn about what is a nerve, and what are its types. Our nerves are located throughout our bodies from our skin, through and around our organs and towards their center, the brain. The nervous system is divided into the central nervous system, which includes the nerves of the brain and the spine, and the peripheral nervous system which includes the rest of the nerves. Nerve is a part of the nervous system. They are a collection of neurons, which are individual nerve cells. It is an enclosed, cable fibers that uses electrical and chemical signals to transmit sensory and motor information from one body part to another. They are the threads that connects different parts of the body, primarily with the brain and spinal cord. A nerve provides a common pathway for this electrochemical nerve impulses called action potentials that are transmitted along each of the axons to peripheral organs or, in the case of sensory nerves, from the periphery back to the central nervous system. There are 4 types of nerves: motor nerve, sensory nerves, autonomic nerve, and the cranial nerve. Motor nerves send impulses from the brain and spinal cord to all parts of the body. This allows people to do everything from walking and talking to blinking their eyes. Sensory nerves send impulses in the opposite direction from motor neurons. They collect information about pain, pressure, temperature and so on from sensors in the skin, muscles and internal organs and send it back to the spinal cord and the brain. Sensory nerves are even capable of relaying information about motion. The autonomic nervous system regulates the activity of heart muscle, smooth muscle like that in the stomach and the lining of other organs, and glands. They includes 2 functional divisions: the sympathetic nervous system, involved in speeding up heart rate and other fight or flight responses, and the parasympathetic nervous system, which regulates digestion, excretion and other metabolic activities. There are 12 pair of cranial nerves originate in the brainstem. Cranial nerves relay information between the brain and parts of the body, primarily to and from regions of the head and neck. These are essential in vision, taste, hearing, smell, eye and facial movements, salivation and tongue movements. Thank you for watching our video. Tell us what you think about the video in comment section. Like, share, subscribe for more information on nerve health and repair. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat.